Wow, guys. This is Dinosaur! Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Baileys and today we're heading to Jurassic Park. Yes, this is the last kingdom in Ottawa and there's lots of dinosaurs here and the kids had a lot of fun. Come with us as we check out each and every one of the dinosaurs here. This one, over there.
That one, it's an ankylosaurus.
Oh my goodness.
And that's a T-Rex.
Oh yeah, I see the T-Rex.
Oh yeah, that's a Stegosaurus. Whoa! That's Dinosaur!
Oh my goodness, it's so big. Zayden, you see the dinosaurs, Zayden? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Joe, is that scary?
That's scary for me. That big one's scary.
Yeah, that one over there is really scary. Michaela and Grandma eat plants and animals.
Plants and animals?
Yeah. This is what's this?
animal.
Oviraptor.
Oh, I know this dinosaur.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
eats plants and animals.
Okay, come.
Yeah. Look at this.
Whoa. Huh?
It's big. Come look.
Oh, let me see.
It's long.
Oh my goodness! What is the name of that one?
I think it's a.
Oh my god.
But I eats plants.
Okay.
I know this. I know this.
Oh my goodness, this is a big one, guys. What's the name of this one? A Diplodocus.
Oh, darkness.
So this one you said Triceratops? And it only eats plants. Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Alice, no raptor.
You guys want me to read it?
What's
It's a Brachiosaurus.
okay? Oh, he's moving his head. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, look at the tail, guys.
Can they see us through their eyes and move when people walk by?
Maybe.
It eats lizards' arm.
Oh?
It eats lizards' arm.
It does?
Yeah.
Where?
It eats cocoa.
Oh my gosh. This dinosaur is killing him. Oh my gosh.
Benji, that one doesn't eat grass, baby.
Come along, Benji. It will. Benji doesn't want any grass. It's a meat eater.
It's not a raptor?
No, it's an Allosaurus.
It looks like a raptor.
Oh, okay.
The raptor was the first one we saw. It's an Allosaurus. It eats meat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, outside.
What's the name of this one, guys? Jojo, do you know what the name of this one is?
It's a Dilophosaurus. You can't
Oh, yeah?
feed it grass, Benji. It's not real. Help me! Don't eat plants. It eats meat. It eats you.
Yeah, Mickey, you gonna feed him, Mickey? Mm-hmm. What are you gonna give him, Mickey? A Coochosaurus? That not sound right. Coocho? I don't like the cooch part. Okay. Here, drink this.
Oh, finally, water.
I don't know if it's finished.
It's so hot.
Kinglingosaurus?
It's a
Kalingosaurus. Kinglingosaurus.
This name is too much for us.
Ankylosaurus. No. Oh, it's not an ankylosaurus. It doesn't have a hammer.
Protoceratops.
It doesn't have a hammer. It needs to have a hammer on its tail. Oh, I know that one with the hammer on its tail, yeah.
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus, oh my god.
Benji, come.
Look at the head.
Come over here, Benjamin.
I won't.
Oh my goodness. Benji, what's that one?
It's a kangaroo.
Oh.
It's a kangaroo.
Yeah?
It's not a kangaroo, guys. That's not EC. No, it's not a kangaroo.
Yeah, I don't think it's a kangaroo. I don't think kangaroos were around.
Kangaroos look way different.
Oh my gosh. Mickey, do you hear it? Oh my god, Mickey's sweating so bad. Benji, you gonna feed him?
Benji, you're feeding it? It's trapped. Because it's real and it's trapped in things. Yeah, but couldn't it just come in? Unless if it's too weak to move.
Yeah.
Because they didn't put the name.
We have to go all the way around.
This one is what?
It says Velociraptor. This one is a Velociraptor.
Oh yeah.
This one.
Good boy.
Oh.
Everybody go.
Wow. Wow.
Mickey, go. Children. Jojo, turn around. Yeah, good job.
Children, yes.
Mickey, go stand beside Jojo. Good girl.
Wow, guys.
But you can't feed every single dinosaur. Hi, buddy. What's wrong?
So hot, so nice.
Very hot. It feels like I'm in Jamaica right now.
Oh yes, it's burning. Woo.
Me and Zariah.
I don't know what this is. Oh yeah? Oh, look at this one. Yeah, with the thing on his tail, eh? Oh, it's another one?
There's another one that has this big thing on its tail and these spikes on its back, right?
Oh,
It doesn't have a purple spike. It has the tail with the spikes, but not the spikes on its back.
Joey's gonna get you.
Mom, take a picture.
Oh, this one looks like a deer. What is this one? Wow, what is this? They're killing an elephant. They're killing an elephant.
Dinosaur. I'm so sad.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy.
This is an old age giraffe, I guess. A what? A moose giraffe? Oh my gosh. Whoa, guys, is a tiger? Yeah, he's jumping on the elephant. That's a big dinner. Whoa.
This reminds me of our favorite movie.
Yeah. The elephant is trying to get away, guys. Wow.
Mommy, it looks like
Yeah.
Elephant coming in. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, Benji. You're under attack, buddy. A what?
Oh, I see this one. Oh my god!
There's a dinosaur! You're riding, Benji? Yeah. How to train a dinosaur, right, Joe? Wow. Ben. Yeah, Joe. Went to the last kingdom. It was awesome. Wow, so scary. Bye, buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more family fun video. Bye.